Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a structure in Minecraft, in MCreator, sorry, well, like generation and stuff like that. First, you want to click this little thing here, this little play button, and it'll run MCreator's version of Minecraft. So you can insert your little thing. I named it Abandoned Structures mod, so I'm gonna make a little abandoned structure. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible as well. So yeah. Okay, so it's currently generating the world, and I'm going to show you how you can make, you just make your own little thing. And then you get a structure block, which I'm going to show you how to get. So here it is, we're in the world. I should have gone in super flat. Whatever. So, you just get your own little things. I'm going to get mossy stone and just make a small little cabin, an abandoned little house that was originally made of cobblestone but got mossy over time. Just gonna make a little structure like this. There we go. You can walk in this little thing. So now what you want to do, you can just do tab if you want. Structure underscore block. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm gonna make like your mod suggestions. So like leave it down below what you want me to mod, and I'll put it into the game. So yeah, leave it down below, and let's continue. So I'm gonna just name this abandoned. I spelled that wrong. Whatever. It's moss. Okay, moss underscore structure. I just like doing that. Now what you want to do, like click F3, then do all this. But I'm on like my computer doesn't do that, so I'm just gonna have to try and guess right here. So perhaps like something like this. Wrong way round. Make sure it's the right way round as well. Okay, well you really should resize it to be like how it is, but you don't really have to do that. You can if you want, which I would recommend doing that. But yeah. Okay, so this is a little thingy. You can do your own blocks that you made as well. And I think you can do like, like whatever. Okay, so you can do like show invisible blocks on. You can place this with void, so like it merges in with another building or object. Or you can leave it as air, which it will get rid of an object that's already merging with, and replace it with this. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for the tutorial. But you can like just do like give at p structure underscore void, and you'll get this, and you can place it like there, or you can fill it. But we've already saved it. Well, we haven't. You need to click this button right here, not this one, and then it's saved as moose structure. That's what I named it. Go back to MCreator, resources, structures, import structures. Act pencil. Okay. Right here. No. Yes, you want to click on this one. Click OK. You do here. Click the plus. Structure spawn. Something. And then you pretty much got it. I like to do it like 5,000, so it's more common. I wouldn't recommend 1,000. But anyway, I can just like do this. You can do like something like 1 here. Surface. You can do like nether at the end. You can do whatever you want. I recommend going on like the thingy, whatever. Like, the MCreator source website. Okay, I've just exported it and downloaded it. Let's see if it works. Okay, I installed the mod and stuff like that. Oh, that's another like thing I made. Oh, the entities do work. So you can also add entities if you want, like mobs. I'm trying to find the one that we made. I have other of my mods on here. Like an installation that only has my mods. I think I just found it. Yes, right here. So this is the little thingy we made. As I told you guys, it's the air thing. So it got rid of. I think it might have got rid of that little leaf right there. Oh, there's another one. So yeah, you can make it more common, but it has said that it could make, you know, bugs and glitches with the Generation 4, not just the little abandoned house things. There's another one right there. Oh, structures, I meant. If you want me to actually upload this mod, and I make more like abandoned structures, like maybe an abandoned cottage, because you can do it quite high actually. There's a limit though. But if you want me to like release it to the public, let me know. But I'll have to make loads and loads of structures for it because Planet Minecraft does not accept that. I know how it's like. This is just another one I made. It's still getting health. It's still being greenlit. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave your comments down below for any mod suggestions so I can make on video. I think that'll be a cool idea. And see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot I'm this again. Anyway, goodbye.